In a world that often celebrates the loudest voices, there exists a group of individuals who have quietly amassed significant wealth without seeking the spotlight. These are the quietly rich people whose fortunes aren't flaunted on social media or splashed across the pages of tabloids. Yet, they hold unique wisdom and practical insights that many of us could benefit from in our own quests for financial success and personal fulfillment. Today, we delve into the lives of these discreet wealth accumulators to uncover invaluable life lessons. These lessons are not just about building wealth. They also offer guidance on living a fulfilled and balanced life. By understanding their approaches and mindsets, we can extract actionable strategies that can be applied to our own financial and personal journeys. Join us as we explore these insights and learn how to apply them effectively in our lives. Understanding the quietly rich, defining quiet wealth. To be quietly rich means more than having a hefty bank account. It involves a lifestyle and mindset focused on sustainability and discretion. These individuals shun the limelight and instead pour their energy into building lasting wealth. They often adopt a low-key lifestyle, make smart investments, and prioritize long-term growth over immediate, flashy expenditures. Common traits. Several key traits define the quietly rich: discipline in financial matters, patience in wealth accumulation, and strategic thinking and investment decisions are at the core of their success. Moreover, their preference for privacy is not just a personal choice but a strategic one. It allows them to focus on their goals without the distractions that often come with public visibility. This approach not only aids in maintaining personal security but also fosters a calmer, more focused environment for making sound financial decisions. Key life lessons from the quietly rich. Lesson 1. Living below your means. One of the most fundamental lessons from the quietly rich is the importance of living below your means. This principle is simple yet powerful. Consistently spend less than you earn. By doing so, you create a surplus that can be invested to build future wealth. This habit is crucial for anyone looking to secure financial stability and grow their wealth over time. Lesson 2. The power of compound interest. The quietly rich understand the transformative power of compound interest. This concept is where small, consistent investments grow exponentially over time due to the interest-earning interest. A hypothetical example might involve investing $100 monthly at a 5% annual return. Over decades, this strategy can turn modest savings into substantial sums, demonstrating the importance of starting early and staying consistent. Lesson 3. Diversification is key. Diversification is another key strategy embraced by the quietly rich. By spreading investments across various asset classes and sectors, they minimize risks associated with market volatility. This approach ensures that if one investment performs poorly, others might balance the scale, safeguarding the overall health of their portfolio. Lesson 4. The value of financial literacy. Understanding the basics of finance is essential. The quietly rich often emphasize the need for continuous learning about financial markets, investment strategies, and economic principles, which helps in making informed decisions. Lesson 5. Networking and relationships. Lastly, building strong, genuine relationships is pivotal. Networking can open doors to opportunities that are not typically available through conventional channels. The quietly rich value deep, meaningful connections that often lead to mentorships, partnerships, and community involvement, enhancing both personal and financial growth. Implementing these lessons in daily life. Practical tips for everyday application to incorporate the wisdom of the quietly rich into daily life. Start with practical financial habits. Create a budget that reflects the principle of living below your means, ensuring you spend less than you earn. Invest even small amounts regularly to harness the power of compound interest. Utilize financial tools and apps that can help track expenses, investments, and savings goals efficiently. Setting long-term goals. Setting clear, long-term financial goals is another crucial step. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding an education, define what financial success looks like for you. Write these goals down and review them periodically to track progress and make necessary adjustments. This practice not only keeps your financial journey on track, but also motivates continuous growth and learning. By adopting these practices, you can start to build a solid financial foundation inspired by those who have successfully navigated their path to wealth quietly and effectively. Today, we've explored several profound lessons from the quietly rich individuals whose discreet paths to wealth offer valuable insights into financial and personal success. From living below your means to understanding the power of compound interest, diversification, financial literacy, and the importance of networking and relationships. These principles serve as a guide to anyone aiming to enhance their financial well-being and overall life satisfaction. As we conclude, I encourage you to reflect on these lessons and consider how you can integrate them into your own life. Start small if you need to, but start today. The journey towards becoming quietly rich isn't about quick wins. It's about setting a foundation of good habits and consistent growth. Please share your thoughts in the comments below or share this video with someone who might find these insights helpful. Together, let's continue learning and growing on our paths to not just financial success, but a richer, more fulfilling life. Remember, the real wealth is in applying these lessons consistently and wisely. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.